Hello guys, have you ever wanted to complete marketing team but could not afford because social media manager and different designation cost thousands of dollars every month and you are running a small business? Fetra AI is going to help you doing all these jobs 24/7 for you, and you will know in today's video how it works actually. First of all, you have to understand that Fetra AI, instead of using multiple tools, Fetra AI is going to give you several AI employees like social media growth theories, video director, SEO blog writer, and many other. And it will also help to grow your business. And many people already used it. You can check out their reviews on their website. Link in my video description I have given. You can meet with your AI team. Like this is going to grow your business. If you are a creator, you can create ideas, you can create research, you can also create the article for your business, and this will be helpful like your own team. And you can also get started in just the 3 steps. First, drop the link and connect with that. If you are going to save your money, you want to compare that what the other platform is going to offering, then Fetra is going to giving you a best companion, best team in just like $39 per month, and instead of thousands of dollars, you can also save your own as time as well. Now, if you want to get started, you can continue with your email, and after getting the account, drop your link and continue to get the information about your brand. First of all, there is Marco as your social media growth manager. That will also connect your social media. You can also connect all the social media like the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and many other. I'm going to choose the Twitter account so I can also manage it. And you can easily check out first after the connecting. Marco is going to given the consent and our social media is connected. And if you want to create any post on it, I have given here no post on my social media, so I'm going to creating a post about my own brand that is about the watches. Marco automatically create the multiple social media posts using the brand voice, and it is ready. Now we can attach our social media in which we want to upload that. We can also schedule it. Even this is also very fast, and not just about the data. It can help us to create visual also according to the post what we need. So here is schedule. We can also put the data, and then we have to select one of the account on that we want to upload. And according to Instagram, according to Facebook, the format will be automatically changed. So in this way, you can also create your post, and you can also get your draft link in the calendar section. And after that, on the time we have selected, it will be automatically posted by this platform. And next, you can also check out about the VV, that is your video AI director, and it will generate your short 8 to 15 second long video for the marketing purpose. Like I am going to select here first of all, and here are the details about VV that will also give you professional look about the product. Like here I have given the prompt that create my brand 𝐒𝐈𝐅𝐈 watches, and video is also being generated according to the concept that has been given according to the script we have provided. And next, you can check out some picture have been generated, and funnel, image, and video on the screen you can check out. Thus, you have seen the best content that we have produced here using VV as video director to create such content for our own brand marketing as different ideas. And it will also be downloadable, so you can also download and start your new app journey. Next, we are going to exploring here about SEO blog writer that will also research on the keyword opportunities on the growth of business, and it will also save the time. Like within short time, read, also going to creating complete SEO-friendly article for us. What that we have to given some details, like what it should be, how the style and their writing length, we can also decide here, and we can also chat with the Ready to. It is also AI model that is working as SEO blog writer with completely details. And if we are going to make any article that we want to publish on the WordPress or many other web link, then we can also attach the social media on it. We can add it also, and the article is also well structured. You can check out here after the queries that is also asked by their rate, and a proper heading has been given. Even the visual will also be created once the final draft will be ready. So here I'm going to choose the efficiency guys, and it will also work on the Google 𝐒𝐿 guideline. It will also follow the completely usefulness, and we can use WordPress. There's Wix, Shopify, and many other AI articles that we can also publish it. You can also edit it. There is a proper draft with the proper visual. If you want to edit something you want to add or remove the data, you can also go ahead. And this is the final draft. You can also select the schedule on that you want to publish on the WordPress, Wix or Shopify or many other you can connect to first of all, and it will also be published. Now I'm going to save it in a draft way, and if we want to complete like AI model team, then Fetra is good to helping us, and in such a way that you can also make some ads too. Here are the ad optimizer, name is Ethan. This is going to helping us to create advertisement idea for our brand, for our any type of product that you want to add, make an ad on Google Meta or Facebook, Instagram. What should be style and their prompt, everything will be done on it. Like I have given here that I need some idea about my what brand. So here is competitor details and what they are going to making, some hookup step, some concept, and as well as there are also the platform who is going to offer such product and relativity. So it will also help us to create some creative idea and something unique, and that is also going to be some primary priority. So in this way, you can also choose your target audience, what they are going to like. You can get the research details on this ad optimizer Ethan. Next, something upcoming that is also about the EVA. That will be lead generation. So in this way, you can also come on the Fetra. And if you are a small business owner who does not have time to manage marketing every day, this platform can help and can save you a lot of time. If you are a solo founder or content creator doing everything yourself, Fetra AI can act like your own marketing team. If you are an agency or freelancer, then you can also check out the plan according to your suitability. You can upgrade your account and start your new epic journey and handle your multi-account. It can automate repetitive tasks and help you work much faster. After testing it, I found it very useful. Link in my video description. Try it yourself. So you can also drop your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel. See you soon next time. Take care and goodbye.